Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing materials and a safe working platform. Gather 1:500 to 3:000 white blocks, quartz, wool, or concrete, because density effects build time and look. Once done, craft scaffolding and ladders to reach the build height, and keep an elytra or feather for emergency glide. Place a 20 by 20 base platform 60 to 100 blocks up. This gives room to shape towers. Make sure to set a spawn or bed nearby, so you don't lose progress if you fall. Now you sculpt the castle's cloud form. Start with 3 concentric rings, radii roughly 10, 18, and 26 blocks, to create tiered platforms. This gives depth and structural logic. Once done, blend slabs and stairs around edges to soften silhouettes and craft natural overhangs. This reduces blocky harshness. Make 3 towers at cardinal points, varying heights by 6 to 12 blocks so the silhouette reads from distance. Also, integrate gaps and arches to let light through. That's how you sell the ethereal, floating look. Finish by layering detail and testing stability. First, hide sea lanterns or glowstone under slabs and carpets to keep a soft glow without harsh spots. Vines, leaves, and white banners add drifting texture. Once done, outfit 2 small rooms for storage and enchantments so the castle is functional, not just pretty. Make sure to walk every ledge and place fences or invisible barriers to prevent accidental falls. If something collapses, switch to spectator mode to inspect mistakes, then restore missing sections methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.